Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we are going to look at the TextJoin function, and it has been introduced to ease the way that we concatenate values from different cells. Let's take a quick look at how to use the TextJoin function in Excel. Here we have 7 columns of data. Let's use the TextJoin function to join the values from these 7 columns into a single column, with a comma as a delimiter between each value. Let's begin by entering the TextJoin command. As you can see, the TextJoin function takes a number of parameters. The first parameter we will enter is a delimiter. This is a string that will be inserted between each text value. Most commonly you would use a delimiter, such as a comma space or only space character. In this tutorial we will use a comma. The second parameter determines whether empty values are included in the resulting string. True ignores empty values and false includes empty values in the result. So let's enter true so that empty values are ignored. The next parameters are the strings that you wish to join together. You must enter at least one string, and you can enter up to 252 strings in total. In this example we want to join the values from columns A through G. So we will enter a 2:G2. Now let's see what our TextJoin function returns. This is the concatenated values from cells A2 to G2, with commas delimiting each of these concatenated values. Now let's copy our formula into cells H2 to H10. Notice that in cell H2 it has converted our numbers to strings, and then concatenated the values to return with comma separated as the result. Now if I just go back into the formula for a moment and just change my true to false, so I do not want it to ignore empty cells, and copy that down. Now that is what it would do. It then puts the comma space in, even though there's nothing there, so that is why we put true. Another method. Let's see how to do it. First, choose the desired cell where the join full address. Click on the selected cell. We'll click on the cell H2 here. Then click up here on the FX tab, which serves to insert a function. A pop-up window will open. Choose the category, All, and find the function TextJoin and confirm with OK. The function, TextJoin, can join up to 252 different items into a single cell. We want the TextJoin full address to appear as the first name, last name, address 1, city, state, zip code, and country with comma space separation between fields. Therefore, we'll go to the delimiter bar and type here comma space. Here you can see comma space enclosed in double quotation marks. And then move to next field, ignore underscore empty bar and type true. Now, move to the field, text 1, bar and select your desired cells. Here is A2 to G2. You can see the text being joined and check its final form. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on OK. If you want to carry on and join the rest of the address on the list, simply set the pointer of your mouse to the cell containing the function, and drag the bottom right-hand corner of the cell to populate the rest of the rows with the same formula. That way, you'll concatenate all the address on the list like this. And just before we wrap it up, there's one more thing to remember. If you need to change the information on the list, you'll have to do it in the source cells the formula refers to. Click on any cell with the combined names, and you'll see that this target cell does not contain the text itself. That's why, if you need to change concatenated data, you'll need to go to the source cell first and rewrite the information there. I hope, my friends, you find this video helpful information. Thanks for watching this video.